Welcome you all. Today we are here with another idiom, and this time it is to take effect. To take effect, which means come into force or to produce or achieve the results you want. इसको उर्दू में हम लागू होना यानी कोई चीज़ अपना रिज़ल्ट दिखाए, कहीं पे कोई चीज़ हम अप्लाई कर रहे हैं उसका रिज़ल्ट हो, मेडिसिन खा रहे हैं उसका कोई इफ़ेक्ट होता है, उसका कोई रिज़ल्ट हो, तो वहाँ पे हम इडियम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Here is one of the situations. If a law takes effect at a particular time, it officially begins to apply from that time. Here is another sentence or situation, and this is another meaning, relevant meaning, hopefully. Hopefully the painkillers will start to take effect very soon. So this is how we are going to use this idiom into the sentences or situations to take effect.